Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Porkbun domain to Blogger. Let's get started. First, go to blogger.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings option from the left panel. Next, in the settings, scroll down to the publishing section where you will click on the custom domain option. And this pop-up will appear. But let's leave Blogger for now and go to porkbun.com and log in your account. In here, go to the domain management section and copy your domain name. Then go back to Blogger again. In this field, type in www. Then paste your domain name and click on Save down here. Next, you may be alarmed with this red colored text, but this is exactly what we are looking for, since these are the configurations for the two CNAME records we need. After that, go back to Porkbun and click on this small DNS option right here. And this pop-up will appear. In here, you will scroll down to the Quick DNS Config section. In here, click on the Blogger option, and this pop-up will appear from above. Just click on OK. Next, let's go back to Blogger again and copy this highlighted phrase from the second CNAME record. Then go back to Porkbun and paste your copied configuration in this host field. Next, go back to Blogger and copy this highlighted field. Then paste it in the answer field in Porkbun. Then click on Submit down here and click on OK again from this pop-up above. Next, go back to Blogger and click on Cancel from the pop-up. Next, click on Custom Domain again, and this pop-up will open up again. In here, you will type in your domain name again and click on Save down here. After that, your custom domain from Porkbun will now be connected to Blogger. And that is how you can connect your Porkbun domain to Blogger. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.